Hello, my name is Zachary Stickler, and today in this Prezi presentation, I will be discussing the art of time management in college. So the definition of time management is the ability to use one's time effectively or productively, especially in work or school. People who have good time management skills recognize laziness, realize the importance of previous obligations, complete tasks before they are due, are in better academic standing, and overall are less stressed than those who have bad time management skills. Examples of those kinds of people would be Dwight Schrute and Jim Halpert. Both recognize laziness, both realize the importance of obligations that they have, and both complete tasks before they are due. People who have bad time management skills tend to procrastinate, are easily distracted, complete tasks when it is absolutely necessary and last minute. They are in worse academic standing, and overall, they are more stressed than those who do not procrastinate. An example of this kind of person would be Mr. Michael Scott. He tends to procrastinate. He is very easily distracted, and he does his job right when it needs to be done, right at the last minute. So moving on to the next topic, obstacles. Hindrances to successful time management. Some of these hindrances could be being unorganized and underprepared, having a lot of things going on at once in your life, being tired due to an unclear sleep schedule, or having trouble saying no to other activities. That could include going to the Jags game, playing video games, eating food, or going out with your friends, or even getting distracted by social media. So the next topic would be setting attainable goals to improve the usage of your time. So to do this, we must prioritize. Address what is most important. Say what you're going to do and actually do it. Begin tasks days or even weeks before the deadline. Learn to remain consistent in your work. Concentrate. And learn to delay gratification until your work is complete. These are all mental steps that we can take to improve our time management skills. Our last topic would be celebration, reaping the benefits of using time wisely. At the end, when your work is done and you have fully concentrated and completed the assignment before the deadline is due, and you have not procrastinated, you've put hard work into it, and you're ready to submit it, afterwards you will have a sense of accomplishment and capability, feeling good about yourself. You will be living a healthier lifestyle in which procrastination doesn't affect you, and you will be free to celebrate in your own ways. The last thing I have for you, the call to action would be, what are some ways that you can realistically improve your time management skills in your everyday life? Meaning, what distracts you? What causes you to step away from what needs to be done? My name is Zachary Stickler. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.